Okay students, in this short video I want to teach you how to do rounding to the nearest 10. And then for this thing is applicable also for rounding to the nearest 100 or round to the nearest thousands. So before we can do any rounding, this is what we need to do. Yeah, we need to pay attention on something, on the problem that we need to solve. So we need to pay attention on the number. Yeah, this is the number that we want to round, and then the instruction. Now the instruction maybe says like round to the nearest 10, or round to the nearest 100, and round to the nearest 1000. Okay, so this is how we need to see. We see the number, and then we see the instruction, what we need to do with the number. Okay, round to the nearest 10, 100, or 1000. And then as we know, 10 you have 1 0, hundreds you have 2 zeros, for the thousands you have 3 zeros. Okay, so this is we need to keep in mind. Now for round to the nearest 10, this is what we need to do. Suppose you have a number 78. So this is a number, and then we know the instruction, round to the nearest 10, and then we know 10 has 1 0. Okay, so we just write down the 0 first, and then we see this one is the tens, this is the ones. Okay, so you see over here we had 2 digits, over here is only 1 digit. So we need to make sure that we have the same amount of digits, the left and the right. So what we need to do is we need to copy the tens. So if you have more numbers over here, for example in the thousands and the hundreds place, you also need to copy that number. And this one over here, since it's only 1, so it's 7 only. So what is the next number after 7? You know it's 8. Now after that, you need to check the next place value, the digit in the next place value, after the one that you have copied, after the number that you have copied, and then you see, oh, this one is 8. So we need to know the rule, 0 to 4. This one you just stay, yeah, stay with the 7. But if the number is 5 to 9, you need to round it up. So in this case, we see 8. So this is the answer, 80. Okay, yeah. So that's how we do it. Let me give you another 2 examples, and then you can see. So suppose we have 492, and then we still round to the nearest 10. So as we know, there are 2 possible answers. We know 10 has 1 0, and then you see over here 3 digits, over here is only 1 digit. So we need to copy to make sure that we have the same amount of digit. So over here you have hundreds, tens, and ones. So we copy all the digit until the tens place. Until the tens place. So we have 49, you see, 49, and then we see 3 digits and 3 digits, the same amount of digits. And then after 49, the next number is 50. And then after that, we need to do the checking of the digit. And then this one is 2. So 2, see, we have the rules over here. So we need to stay at 49. So this is the answer. When we round to the nearest 10, this 490 is the answer. I give you one last example, and then I hope you can see the pattern. 2475. And then as we need to know the instruction also, nearest 10, then it means 1 0. And then you see this one is 4 digits, this one has no has only 1 digit. So we need to make sure that they have the same amount of digits. So if we know this one is thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, these are the place values, and then we will need to copy all the number, all the digits until the tens place. Yeah, you see 10, then we need to copy all the digits until the tens place. So this one is 247, and what is the next number after 247? Is 248. And then after that, we need to check the next place value, and then we see, oh, it's fine. So we need to round this one up. Okay, so this thing is applicable also for the hundreds and for the tens, okay, for the thousands. So I think that's all for this video. Okay, I hope you can see the pattern and understand the pattern, and then apply the pattern for the hundreds and the thousands. Okay, thank you, students. I see you again in the next video.